I love the way they do this with the magnetic. So you got the magnetic locks there. You have a solar panel set here, so to trickle charge that, you can hook up a solar setup. But if you're hooked in, when you're at shows, if you're hooked into City Power or if you're just driving, you're already going to be charging anyway.
Okay.
So probably not as useful, but it's there if you need it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, dumb question. Charging what?
It
Yeah, I'm still a
charges
little lost.
the battery.
Oh,
So this
okay.
can solar charge, can basically trickle charge your battery.
Okay.
Gotcha.
There we go. It's a already set plug-in. The wiring's already plugged into it, and it charges the battery itself.
Okay.
But again, your main pedestal, your main City Power, is charging it anyway.
Okay.
So for your usage, just from what I know about it, it sounds like you should be plenty charged.
Okay.
Okay. So here's your inside compartment, your inside storage. Back there on the other side, you have the key for that.
Okay.
This is your stabilization jacks. So these will roll down just to kind of stop your rocking back and forth. You can get in the unit without it. We're going to walk in a minute, and these aren't going to be down, and it's perfectly safe. It's just, if you're staying in it night after night and it starts to rock back and forth or there's wind, that helps you stable it.
Okay.
Please do not change a tire with those. Don't crank this up to lift it up. You're going to need to get a normal tire jack for that,
Okay.
because they're not meant for that weight.
Gotcha.
Okay. However, if you have a electric gun, instead of using that's a 3/4 socket. You can just run it right down. If you got a little drill,
Yep.
electric drill, impact, you can just run it right down with that. If not, that'll work just fine.
Okay.
Just more arm strength.
Right.
All right. Skip that just to point this out real quick. This is just your unit info. I do tell people to take pictures of it because it'll fade. This is showing you your tire information. So there's your 80 psi. There's the tire size. Then it shows the max weight on your units, and you usually don't need that. But if for some reason they ask, hey, how heavy is your unit? You can find it right there.
Okay.
All right. So here's your water setup.
Hang on just a second. I'm
Yeah.
going to stop.